Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Mads, and today I'm here with my brother,
Marco.
Where are you, Marco?
I'm near this big
Today
Christmas
we're
tree.
playing Donut Factory Tycoon. Come on. I wanna pick the blueberry donut factory. That's my favorite color. What are you picking?
I think I'm picking the lemon.
Okay. Please be the blue one. Okay, I think my screen is still loading, so the one that's opened. Where are they? Aw, you can't climb on top of the donut. What are you doing?
I'm walking around the place.
I don't know if this is the blue one, but either way, I don't really care which one I get. Okay, it says that I think. Okay, sure it'll. Oh. No, I don't want the yellow donut factory. No. I want the blue one. Okay? Okay. I'm resetting. I'm kidding. Okay, Margo, you can get the. Let's find a random one. It doesn't matter. Donut factory are you getting? What color?
Of course, the blue one, because that's the only one that's left.
Good point. My walls.
Click on if you like to eat donuts.
Yeah. Start making donuts. Working? Is it just me or it's getting really slow these days? Well, in my days, donuts weren't just pink. They were different colors that everybody liked. Jump. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not what donuts look like. Okay, buy mint donut dropper. It says that. Find one yet?
Yup.
Ooh, money. Ching, ka-ching. Is it working? Isn't it working?
No. And I can
Oh, yay.
start
Money.
making donuts. I'm gonna start getting rich.
Okay, so we just have to start, ooh, we have a lot of money. Okay, I am mint donut dropper. Okay, why isn't it working? Oh! Okay, I don't know how much all of this is. By walls. Oh, said the walls.
I bought a very tall dropper.
Whoa. Oh. Money. I have so much money. I'm losing money actually. How much money do you have?
100
1,000.
1,020.
Mark's only little, so he's still learning how to count numbers. Ooh. Oh, these donuts look delicious. Okay,
I'm just wasting my money on droppers.
don't all of us. Okay, hey, so much money.
Hey, I'm getting rich.
Finish walls. I want to buy an owner door because then people can't really get in. Unless you can jump really high. I don't think you can. This cash register noise is very annoying. Jump. Ah! Who are you? Kill me. You can't kill. Well, whatever. It's not like she can hurt me. She just wants to check out my cool donut factory. So you wanna help? Wanna help, Lily? You trying to collect my money? Don't do that, Lily. It's not very nice, Lily. Okay, Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Whoa, you can climb this. Did you try climbing the dropper? Oh, ow, ow, that hurts. Oh my gosh, that hurts so bad and so annoying. You go like the oh, it hurts. Okay,
No, just waste my money so I could buy the owner door that I wanted.
So, did you buy it? You buy the owner door?
No.
Oh. I need money. Okay, this is annoying. This noise though. Okay, Okay, that's it. I'm done. I can't let you guys suffer anymore. There, now you can just hear my voice. What are you doing, bro?
I'm just standing on a thing that gives you money over and over again.
Hey. Yeah. More money.
Yes, I got it.
What do you get?
Owner door that I wanted.
Ooh, I can buy another dropper. Ooh. I bought it. Okay, how much is this? Oh, 150? That's not too much. I'm gonna lose so much money. No, I don't have enough money anymore. No, I spent all of my money. Yeah, this is why you shouldn't waste money on droppers. Actually, spending money on droppers is actually, to be honest, pretty smart. My opinion. What do you think? Because it gives you more money.
Because then it will make you very rich. And then almost it will make your tycoon a mansion. Once I did that, and then and my tycoon was so big it even had a second floor.
Marco, let's just say he really likes Tycoon. No, you can't buy any more droppers. No. No. Okay, before we buy swords. Wait a second. You can buy swords? Oh my gosh, yes. Need more money. Need more money. Give me all that cash, yo. Give me all that cash. Money, 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 money. No, I don't want to buy this. What are you doing, bro? Duh, money.
I'm just getting more money.
If you just go back and forth like this, I have enough money for an owner tour.
I'm just jumping on it.
Huh? Right? No working. Cry, cry, cry. Guess we're the only ones that can actually go inside of ours. This is so sad. What if I want to let my friends in? Right? Cry, cry, cry. Cry, cry, cry. Money, 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 money. What you doing, Marco?
I'm just getting another dropper.
Okay. Money, 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 money.
Yes, Now I've got plenty of droppers. I'm gonna get
Oh.
rich.
Is this a lucky block? What is it? Spawn ghost? Is it gonna be a nice ghost? Or is it gonna be a ghost that wants to kill me?
Ooh, what's this?
Ooh, what's this? Is this some kind of magical book?
Ooh,
Oh,
I have a robot.
I see it. The book that shows us future Roblox. See here. In this picture, there's a man. You know what that man is doing? He grew really long arms and legs, and now he's gonna rule the world. Yeah, probably not.
Look, I got a scooter.
Oh, yay! I don't know this. Ah! Oh no! Where did my sleeves go? No! How dare this magical spell make my? It's in the middle of winter. Now I'm gonna be cold. Unless it could give me sleeves again, that'd be nice. Ah! Now my arm is dislocated. Oh, what's happening to me?
I'm rich.
Anyways. Okay, let's keep going. I look so weird. Okay, yes. No, I do not have enough money for this. It's okay because I am collecting money. Collecting a lot of money.
Oh, I got this really cool rocket launcher.
Oh, hello. Hello. I am Dislocated Arm Girl. What's your name? Oh. Okay. My name is Spectacular